I've had a lot of people complain that they were not shortlisted for positions I shared to them. And in this video, I want to talk to you guys about playing it dirty, or at least a little dirty. Now, I'm also going to share with you guys two positions after I finish this short intro on playing it dirty. These are two positions that are actively recruiting people right now. So you just go ahead and create accounts for those two positions I am going to share with you guys. Now, let's move back to playing it dirty. There are three levels of playing it dirty. Let's say I give you a link like Minddrift and I tell you go ahead and apply for Minddrift or any other company different from like gigs. Gigs are a position that just comes like what Telus do, that is going to last for just a few days. Then maybe this may not work so well. But let's say a company like Minddrift that has active roles always, and you make an application, you submit it, and you were not shortlisted. The first level of playing it dirty entails that you just have to create a new email with your same name and same identity. Create a new email, revamp your CV, and I've made over 19 minutes long video on how to create your CV, and I'll assure you guys that video will be very helpful for you. If you're a newbie or you're a pro freelancer, that video will be very helpful for you. So just go ahead and revamp your CV and you apply with a new email, and you're going to most likely get shortlisted. And if you don't get shortlisted after a week, you repeat that process until you get it. Now, a lot of the things like issue I notice with beginners in this field of AI annotation is that they give up so quick. They make 5 applications and they're already like, I've been applying and I'm not shortlisted. While someone like me, in a day I make 10 applications on average. So in a year, sometimes I make thousands of applications, and out of those many applications I make, just few of them get back to me, and I'm only able to pass very few of the onboarding exams and start working on very few of them. But at the end of the day, you know, you are going to make money even if you're working with just 2 different AI companies. You're going to make something from it. So it is worth the whole process. So don't give up, try, keep trying. Now, the second level of playing it dirty is you have someone in the house, and let's say a sibling, a spouse, and you're like, I've applied and they're not shortlisting me. Why not apply? So the second person applies, and even if the second person is not interested, or you actually use the second person's name and identity to apply for a second account. And this is playing it dirty, like I said, and I don't advise you guys to do this, but this is for informational purpose only, to think and know what you can do with it. Now, the third level of playing it dirty is proxies and VPNs. And this is the one I don't like talking about, because many of these jobs are not available for some third world countries. And by using proxies and VPNs and a lot of difficult process, you could actually gain access to this, but I don't advise. And this is why any opportunity I am sharing on my channel, it is something you can do. You don't require VPN, you don't require proxies. It is something you can do anywhere around the world. And that's why I'm sharing it in this channel. So this whole thing about playing it dirty is just for informational purpose. And the first level of playing it dirty, I think it's not as dirty. So you could always try that one. I can tell you that one. Now, let's move to the opportunities I want to share for you guys today. And the first opportunity I want to share for you guys is called Handshake AI. Now, this opportunity is very good for domain experts. So if you're an expertise in any domain, you can go ahead and create an account. Even if you're an undergraduate, they accept a lot of people. PhD holders, you are hot cake in this platform. If you go through the website, you're going to see that it is like shortlisting people and has many opportunities for domain experts, people that train AIs. And when you go ahead and click on apply now, and I'm going to drop a link to the application, you are going to have like, you could work on different opportunities with them, different AI training roles from data, video, and improve AIs. So I'm not going to walk you through the step of creating an account, because I already have an account with them and I don't want to make a duplicate account. So just go ahead and give this website a shot. Now, if you're watching this video, I just want to urge you, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And I'm very happy. I want the channel to keep growing, and I keep sharing this information. And I just want you guys to support. Please, if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. So please, guys, thanks. One opportunity I want to share with you guys is called Uber AI. So a friend sent me a message. Uber is shortlisting actively. So I told him I already have an account and I'm still expecting the shortlisting. So if you don't have an account with Uber, please go ahead and create your Uber account now. So if you come to the website, you're going to see what it's about, the different people they've worked with, and what the company is about. You see they do data collection, data annotation, localization, you tax, you translate, text labeling, audio labeling, video maps, and there are lots of jobs that this company does. But the thing is that they need a lot of people to do this thing, and this is why they need you. This is why they need you as an AI annotator. So you can go ahead and click on the end with us, and I'm still going to drop a link to this application in the pinned comments, and you can go ahead and apply for this application for this role and wait to be shortlisted. Now for Uber, you're going to submit your certificate, and it's going to take about a week or two to be reviewed. And if you're like fit for the roles that they have currently, you're going to get shortlisted immediately. But if you're not, your application is going to remain with them, and after some time they're going to get back to you definitely. So there's no harm in actually having an account with them. So go ahead and create an account with them, and whenever they need you, they're going to shortlist you.